how can one be freed from Vajra hell if we go into there? And how long can we come out from the hell?
I think it is ironic that the questions of Vajra hells are coming from the upper floor. Actually, it has to come from the basement, So all future questions related to Vajra hell from the basement. But these questions, can you please go with the first?
The first one is, how do we know if we are dropping into Vajra hell?
How do we know?
Yeah, are there any signs and symptoms?
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. To cut a long answer short, I don't know. Okay, then the second one.
The second question is, Vajra hell and the normal hell the same? Are there any differences between the hells?
It's a hell, but with the prefix Vajra. Is it? Okay. It's not only a hell, but it's also a Vajra hell. I'm so sorry because I know nothing of Vajra hells. And then the third question?
The third question is, if one goes into the Vajra hell, how can we be freed from the hell? And how long can we come out of the hell? How long can we come out? It sounds like...
How long can we before we can come?
I think it sounds like if we come out and then if like we take leave and take a break and we have to go back.
These questions related with Vajra hell is this, I think, like being, the next thing, the next closest thing to actually being in a real Vajra hell is being asked questions about Vajra hell. I think, So these questions, they are really, really difficult to answer, But I think maybe I can answer it like this, but first, please. I think, once we are in any form of hell, I think it's almost too late, right? So the most important thing is not to make mistakes in the present moment, right? Try not to make mistakes in the present moment, and especially refraining from non-virtuous action. This is the main thing. If one can refrain from that, then one does not need to worry about whether they might take rebirth in the lower realms or not. So always to refrain from negative acts and then try to commit virtuous actions as much as possible. So like this, then I think we can then avoid taking rebirth in the hell realms.